Good morning. It's so weird. I have not vlogged the last couple days. It's just been a hectic work week. But honestly, the hecticness is currently still going on. But I figured I need to like meal prep, because the meal prep I did last week, or for the last couple days, is already gone. So no, I have to do it before a work day, which is less than ideal because my time is already so like minimal as it is. Because I just got back from the gym, set up the coffee. Let's go in here. We're gonna make pistachio. We're gonna make pistachio today, so I'll throw that in there after I get out of the shower. But I need to do something pretty basic, so I think I'm just gonna do some form of chicken. And I probably won't do the shredded chicken, which is what I normally like to do, sadly. Just time is of the essence, so I'll probably just do some form of like seasoned chicken and maybe some garlic green beans for the next chunk of this long work stretch between days off. So I'm gonna go ahead. Actually, I want to show you how pretty this set is. Mind you, this is all old, none of it's new, but I just really like the blue. Let me show you. So these are from one of the last Gymshark's Whitney Simmons collections. It's like one of the beautiful blue leggings. And then the sports bra, wow, these are great angles, but the sports bra is Lululemon. And I don't think the camera's, oh, there you go. It's a little bit more true to color here. But it is the most pretty blue. I just really like blue. I feel like it's such, blue and red are such like power colors in my mind. But I just wanted to show you my gym outfit for today. Mind you, there's plenty of cuter angles. I definitely probably should have showed you in the gym. But you know, here we are. So you can see it. Jump into shower. Get this party on the road. Let go. Alright, shower completed. Pumpkin bagel made. Pistachio cinnamon cold brew, shaken espresso also done. Okay, we're on a good trajectory for the morning. So I'm just gonna read while I eat my breakfast, and then we're gonna have to start cooking. This has turned from a slow morning to a quick morning. So I'll see you when we start cooking. Okay, I have cut up the chicken, and where did the light go? I have exciting news. So I buy typically like double the protein, and I keep one in the fridge to make immediately and put the other one in the freezer just for like, you know, I don't want to say a rainy day, but essentially for the times where I'm either too busy to go to the store again, or I go through something quicker than I anticipated. So it's like backup that I always use. That being said, I pulled one of my packets of chicken out of the freezer to start thawing in the fridge yesterday morning. So it's been about 24 hours, and I pulled it out right now, and it's still like kind of frozen. So I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no, no, because I'm trying to make little like chicken tendies, little pieces of chicken right now. But this is so exciting. It was, I'd say maybe 75% thawed, but it made it so much easier to cut. Like it was, you know, sometimes chicken, obviously when it's raw, it's hard to cut. This is like a game changer. I think I'm gonna do this like from now on. I'm gonna show you, mind you, the pieces don't look beautiful of chicken, but just know that they're gonna taste good, and that's all that matters, and it was easy to cut. But look. But yeah, like there's so much, obviously you can see it's holding shape better because it's still partially frozen, but like, are you freaking kidding me? It took me no time at all to cut these up. Like I said, it's not looking beautiful. Just disregard that. We're going to put a bunch of seasonings. I'm going to do onion, salt, garlic powder, paprika, pepper, cayenne. I have water boiling so I can blanch the green beans because I'm just going to toss those with some garlic and have garlic green beans. So I do need to chop that. And then I just have the oil here. So we're going to start putting the chicken in there to cook. I'm excited. This might be quicker than I was anticipating, which is exactly what I need because I'm in a hurry. That being said, okay, before I burn myself, we're just going to watch the montage of me cooking because I'm going to put music on so I don't get distracted and sit here and blob on because I love to talk to you guys. So just enjoy the cooking. Alright, I finally finished. So, scarlet green beans. Hopefully this is at least 3 more servings because I put 1 in here for today's lunch. All the chicky in here, so I'm going to put a couple of those in here. Simple, quick, high protein, essentially lunch and dinner because I didn't have time for lunch. So I'll just take a protein bar. Actually, we're going to take that pumpkin spice barbell protein bar. That should be totally fine for today. I had a casualty. Actually, you can't really see it from here. It looks a lot better. But I like totally cut myself on accident with a knife and it was like gushing right there. But oh yeah, the nails are naked. I hopefully will have time to do those tomorrow. It'll be another busy morning. But now I have to run, literally move my little body and put makeup on, change, and go. So I will check back with you tonight when I get home, hopefully. Fingers crossed. See you in a little bit. We're back from a long day. I'm just counting down the days until my day's off. I'm exhausted. It's just definitely a period of adjustment right now. So I'm gonna ride the wave, figure out what to do. But in the evening with my journaling, kind of wind down just a little bit, and then I don't know, I go through phases when I'm kind of like not in like the biggest like music mood. So on my way home tonight I started listening to, I'm pretty sure almost everybody's heard of this book, but it's the How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. I think that's, yeah, Dale Carnegie. So I was just listening to that while I wash my face, and I'll probably do that. Actually, no, I'm going to listen in silence. I'm just going to journal in silence. I've been having trouble sleeping the last 2 nights. I think I'm just a little stressed. So I'm going to finish off in silence and get some writing done and then go to bed. But I shall see you in the morning. Good morning. We're back. I've already been to the gym and back. Just finished doing my normal morning routine, but I have just enough time, fingers crossed, to redo these nails before work because if I don't do it today, I don't know when I'm going to have time to do them, and I feel like I'm going to start slowly losing them if I don't put a new, new protective layer on them. I think I'm going to end up doing something kind of like blue marble-esque. I never have a specific to a T idea, kind of just wing it. So I'm going to, kind of show you a little bit throughout the process. And then obviously when I'm done, I will show you what they look like. But this is what we're starting with for now. Alrighty, so this is, I don't really have time to clean up around the edges right now, unfortunately. So hopefully, as I wash my hands tonight, I can kind of work around that. But they turned out pretty nice. I've been craving something blue and, a little abstract. I literally spilled the acetone and it started dissolving the paint on top of this little mat. So that's why that looks like that. But, Nails are looking good. Now I have to run, get ready for work. So I shall see you later. Bye. Good morning. It is I again. Okay, so just go out of the shower. The use, you know, gym, shower, repeat. Or I can throw a third acronym in there, but give me a couple of days to get off this train of eat, sleep, work, repeat, eat, sleep, work, because that's not a fun one. We're going to come up with a better one. But today we're going to try, I'm testing out some recipes and kind of just coming up with some concoctions because I want to make a fall video dedicated to fun coffee drinks or like just fun fall drinks, coffee or matcha. But I picked up the Trader Joe's pumpkin spice cold brew coffee. I've never had this before, so I'm curious to see how that is. And then I also picked up the non-dairy pumpkin oat beverage from Trader Joe's as well too. I've never had either one of these, so it'll be a true first taste test. I'm just really hoping that that milk froths because I want to make cold foam. And I think I'm still gonna shake this in my shaker so it gets a little bit foamy for today's coffee. But let's read the instructions because it says it's a concentrate, so obviously I need to dilute it, right? Suggested use: mix 1 part. Bring over here. Okay. Mix 1 part coffee concentrate to 2 parts milk or water. Serve hot or iced. 1 part, like what the, that's not even a serving. It says, this bottle makes at least 96 fluid ounces of finished beverages. That's at least 8 to 12 fluid ounce cups. So what's the serving then? 4 ounces. So essentially, half a typical 8-ounce cup is 1 serving. So we're gonna eyeball that because I'm pretty sure the cup I normally use is 16 ounces. So I guess we'll put 4 ounces, then put that in the shaker, and then make my normal amount of cold foam. I don't know. We'll test it out together. Let's see. P.S. The fact that it's October and it's like 100 degrees, unacceptable for California. Unacceptable. Clearly I need coffee. And I also will be making a pumpkin bagel. It's in there. I just haven't toasted it yet. So let's get concocting. Alright. It definitely smells very pumpkin-y. Fingers crossed. Obviously, we're just eyeballing this. I'm pretty sure there's only 4 ounces in there. So. Okay, I kind of just want to see first how this tastes. Okay, it's super light. Is that like the running theme? It was the same thing with the apple one. Like, they're not bad. It's just so light. Okay, well, I definitely cannot dilute this with my soy milk that I normally do. So I guess we're going to be a true test to see how foamy this can or cannot get. Because it is very light. I'd say sweetness, on a scale of 1 to 10, it's probably like a 3 at best. Flavor, it's super light. I don't know, I guess we'll see. The frothability doesn't look too shabby, actually. Got some good bubbles in there, a little bit of density. Let's see what we poured in. Wow, that was like the perfect amount. Look at us. That looks so pretty. Oh, you can't see it. We're gonna take a field trip so you can see how pretty this looks. Wow, not the light blowing it out. There we go. How pretty. So cute. And now for the moment of truth. Let's see. Did we make a hit? Or did? Ew! Oh my gosh, that's honestly disgusting. Oh my gosh. If I had paid for that at a coffee shop, I would be literally so disgusted. Oh my gosh, that's really, 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 really bad. And I don't even really have time to like do my normal setup for coffee. Oh my gosh. That was absolutely disgusting. I will not be drinking that. I'm trying to think if I can even begin to describe it. It's very sour almost. Like the coffee itself tastes, I guess, maybe very citrusy. I don't necessarily think it was the milk, but I can definitely taste that in there. Oh my, that was 10 out of 10. Don't recommend. Don't. Nope, 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 nope. Oh my gosh. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna have my pumpkin bagel and then I will figure out what to do. Maybe I'll just be coffeeless this morning. I don't know, but I don't have time to redo another one, so we just will be coffeeless. Okay, I'll see you soon. So I am back from, I would say a long day of work, but they're always long, so really what difference does that make? But it was actually a pretty good day today, so I'll take that as a win. I was gonna explain that noise, but the sprinklers just turned themselves off, so that's what that was. Oh my goodness. It has been a day. But I just kind of wanted to check out essentially. I'm currently editing a video right now, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna read a little bit more of my book, do some journaling, and then get myself to bed. I actually just in this moment got an idea for a video I want to film sometime this week. Probably won't see it for another like week or so because I have 2 more vlogs that I'm in the process of. Gotta edit one to go up later this week. The other one will be the beginning. Long story, my long stories are never short. Who are we kidding? Essentially, I want to do a video kind of touching upon kind of like breaking old habits. Just something I need to sit down and really kind of put my thoughts to paper and organize something. But I think it's a topic that's really relatable to just anybody as a whole, and I would love to sit down and talk about that. But I just want to organize it in a way that's very digestible and easy to watch, and hopefully it's helpful. So look out for that to be coming in the next like week or two. For anybody that's just kind of going through life changes, and or anybody that just finds themselves in positions that they want to grow out of and move forward and do the work and just become that next level of yourself. But that being said, before I start trying to get into it right now, because I'm feeling inspired, I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I know I said it before, but I honestly truly appreciate anybody that takes the time to sit and watch my videos. So it's just, I want to send so much love from all the way over here to wherever you are at. So I will just be seeing you very soon for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe so we can always just sit here together and chill, and I can share my thoughts and show you the things and anything that I might get up to, and we can just share it together. I want to film another let's eat video too. I feel like we need to be eating together. It's been a minute. I gotta find a cool place though, so we can like pick up food and talk about it. Well, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go. Alright. Have a good night or day, wherever you're at.